and we made a robotic arm for our elect 243 class. It has 4 servo motors. We use a microcontroller, and to move the servos, we have 2 analogs here. I believe that's backwards, that's forwards. You can open the claw, close it. You can also rotate it side and side, and then up and down. The claw is strong enough to hold something, so...
Yeah, could you put one load on it?
Ooh,
Yep.
There goes that.
Yep. So...
Let's put this back in. No,
yeah, just try one more time.
I want to move it.
Yep, put that there down. That's good. Yep, that's cool. Thank you.